All right, I'm going to do my best to hold this camera and try to go through some of these features on this monitor. So let's just talk about the cameras first, because a lot of the stuff I'm not going to hook up now because of the way my truck's already set up, but I'm going to at least show you some of these features. So if we go in here on the monitor when it comes up, when you power your truck on, and just hit the driving recorder. So that actually is showing the back camera right now. I just have it pointed out my back window. Like I said, I'm not going to hook it up to my RV. So if you hit this little button here, that's got the two lines with an angled line on them. So you'll split the screen. So you can see the screen on the left is actually the dash cam. And you can see at the top it's recording. It's always going to record. And we'll get to some of them settings here in a minute. And then this is your backup camera. This would be looking behind your RV. So if you just simply tap the screen, you can go back to home with the little house. And then hit replay. And then you can see over here where it's recorded different things. Oops, I'm sorry. Hit replay, and then you can choose one. If it comes up blank, that means there's nothing there. So here we go. So you can hit that, and then you can just replay that event. So if you're going to set up CarPlay, and when I mean CarPlay, like if you're going to hook this via Bluetooth to your phone or your vehicle, you can just hit the CarPlay button here, and then it's going to give you can see the instructions, and I'll hold the camera on that for a minute. Basically, it's going to want you to open your device with the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and it's going to give you instructions how to hook those up. And then to get out of that, all you have to do is hit the home button to go back to your home screen. And so you'll be able to go up. You can see you have FM launch, so you can this has voice command. So once you get all this stuff set up, you can basically just tell it what you want it to do while you're going down the road, and it'll do it. This is going to work with iPhones and Android units. So I'm just going to hit the setting button here, and you can see all of the different options you can go into to change settings. So just for instance, let's go into recording settings here, and you can just turn that on and off, and that's basically an audio recording. Your back button, camera format, you can tell it what you want for resolution. Your loop recording, you can tell it you want it to loop every minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can specify that. So you can see there's a lot of things you can do with this, and I think that for a lot of people this is going to be probably the camera of choice. I have talked to a few people that have looked at my BT7 system, and they say, well, I don't want anything to do really with side cameras. Those don't do anything for me. So maybe this is the system for you, because the dash cam itself is probably worth its weight in gold. With the way people drive today, this could save your butt, when it comes to litigation or just who's going to get a ticket and who's not. In the unlikely, or maybe not unlikely, the unfortunate event that you have an accident, this could very well save your butt.